The tools that will be used are basin, tablespoon, cup. Steamer. Our first step is to destroy Goryo. Then, in the second step, we move the crushed Goryo into a basin. The third step is to make sweetened condensed milk in a cup and then mix it with water. Fourth step. Mix the milk into a basin containing crushed Goryo. Then stir the milk and Goryo until mixed. Next step, add flour. And then stir until evenly mixed. After mixing well, we add the eggs. And stir until evenly mixed. Mix the eggs into the mixture again. It has to be even. After that, transfer the mixture to a container. Then put the container containing the mixture into the steamer. Then wait for 30 minutes. And yes, those are the steps to cooking our food. If there is something wrong or incomplete, please forgive. That's all our video. That is all, and thank you.